Okay. Okay. Let's read. Yay, we're gonna read this one. Smart babies. 1, 2, 3. Numbers. Okay. Can you count how many bears?
One. So we left.
One only left. One?
One bear.
One bear. So one bear. How many donuts do you see?
One, two donuts.
2 donuts. Take a look. There's 2 donuts. How many lollipops do you see?
1, 2, 3 lollipops.
3 lollipops.
This one.
Look, here's 3 lollipops.
Look at the chocolate.
Okay, how many cupcakes?
1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes.
4 cupcakes. So smart. How many butterflies? Okay, like that. Okay. Oh, you sit down in here. Okay, count how many butterflies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 butterflies.
5 butterflies. How many hats?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hats.
6 hats. Yay! How many cars? Look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're counting up to 10. But I'll just count the cars. Okay, look here. Look at the cars. Count how many cars.
1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, you count the cars. How many?
A 10.
Ah. Uh-oh. Why are you counting so many? You count how many cars again?